Again, another case here for you guys. This patient was referred to me for endodontic treatment of tooth number 15. Patient says a few days ago he started to have a toothache and went and saw his dentist, and his dentist cold tested tooth number 15 and told him that this was a dead tooth and it needed a root canal. Well, tell me, what do you see in this x-ray, in this tooth, on this tooth, this x-ray? You see calcification. You see calcification of the canals, and you see a very nice, looks like an old crown on the tooth also, right? So if you cold test this tooth will give you a false negative result, which means that you cold test the tooth, it doesn't respond to cold. Well, it doesn't respond to cold because it has a crown on it, and also the canals are calcified. So that's why it doesn't respond to cold. So when you cold test it, that's why cold test is such a relative result, and we don't put so much emphasis on it when we do cold test, because cold test can easily give you a false negative. It can give you a false positive. In this case, give the dentist a false negative. So gave the dentist the impression that tooth number 15 was a necrotic tooth and needed a root canal. In reality, tooth number 15, as I said, does not respond to cold because there's a crown on it and the canals are calcified. All right, so that's that. Tooth number 14, according to the patient, RCT was done decades ago. And you look at this tooth and you don't see a periapical relucency associated with it, right? Okay, yeah, that is true. There is no periapical relucency associated with it. When I went ahead and palpated 14 and 15, on the palatal side, as I was palpating the palatal side of tooth number 14, I noticed purulent discharge coming out of the palatal sulcus. I went ahead and probed the tooth. Number 15 probed within normal limits, 2, 3, 4 millimeters. Look at the probing of the tooth number 14 on the palatal.
So walking the probe here, and it just falls in. Very good. Thank you.
So as you can see, number 15 was not the problem. Number 14 was the problem. Number 14 has a perio problem. So the misdiagnosis, if I had done the root canal on tooth number 15, I'd misdiagnosed and did a root canal on the wrong tooth that didn't need it. Number 14, I just referred the patient back to his dentist so his dentist can refer him to a periodontist. That's a deep pocket. He may lose this tooth, but number 15 didn't need a root canal. So proper diagnosis.